Hey guys, I'm making this quick video for you. If you have the Beko air conditioner and it's not cooling and you're looking for a way how to fix this issue when it's not cooling, the one thing that you can try to do is like clean the filters. So the first thing is clean the filters. You're gonna right here, turn off the power and remove the air filters, remove the 3M and triple filter from the indoor unit. So just try to like clean it, and if this is not going to work out, another thing that you can try to do, when I was looking here on what you can try, is that you're gonna have a reset button on your controller. I'll show you right here, reset, to initialize remote control settings. So just try to like press the reset button, or you're gonna have then disabling auto restart. So you can press and hold the power button for like 6 seconds. Maybe that is going to work out. If that is not going to work out, so this is something you can try to do. If you press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds instead of 6 seconds, the unit will switch to test operation. In the test operation, the unit blows out strong cooling air for 18 minutes and then returns to factory default settings. So try that also. Maybe it's going to help you. And then if this is also not going to work out, then what you want to do is that you want to completely turn off the circuit breaker for like 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe that is going to work out. So have a great day and goodbye.